Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and a good update is coming from Punjab. The Punjab government has increased 4% Dearness allowances for their government employees from effective 1st of December 2023. So friends, actually the government employees of various states are actually waiting for Dearness allowances, and many states have already increased Dearness allowances as per AICP index, and now the Punjab government has increased 4% Dearness allowances. So now the existing Dearness allowances from will be inflated to 38%, and actually this is not as per AICP index, but the government has given a gift to the government employees of Punjab, and this will be paid from next month or with the salary of December 2023, and this will be paid by January. So friends, actually the government employees of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh are also waiting for Dearness allowances hike. So government may increase the Dearness allowances order by this week end. So friends, hope when any further update comes, I will get to know. Thank you.